when the pastors preach, it's near from my belief, and also one preacher that the nephew of this pastor is also near of my belief, but the other preachers needs to grow wisdom. And if I heard that preaching different thing, but the members are connected of what this preacher saying, so they can also grow. But what I'm doing, if I thought that it's not biblical, I pray to this preacher that, Lord, please give him wisdom. I always do that because all of us, we need to grow. So I pray that. So I don't, you know, as long as the salvation is secure, we have the same belief, then it's fine. Even though when it comes to preaching, it seems like, oh, it's not biblical, but please pray, because we know that Satan is active to the man of God to be distracted, especially the doctrine. So we need prayer to the people who are teachers, who are preachers, especially the teachers and preachers. So we need to pray. We need to pray for these people, and also me and my husband. Please pray that we can teach them biblically, not just to teach our own theology. It should not be like on our theology. We should preach. We should teach them, biblically. So